Understanding, take in, a comprehensive guide. Hello, English enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the intricacies of the English language to help you become fluent and confident speakers. Today, we have a fascinating topic on our hands: the phrase, take in. This seemingly simple phrase can actually be quite complex, as it has multiple meanings and uses. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of take in and how to use it in different contexts. So, let's dive in. One of the primary meanings of take in is to absorb or understand information. For instance, when you're learning something new, you might say, "I need some time to take all of this in." It's like your brain is opening up to receive new information, and you're trying to make sense of it all. Example 1. After the lecture, I needed a few moments to take in all the new concepts. Example 2. The movie was so complex that I have to watch it again to take in every detail. Take in also refers to allowing someone, or something, to stay in your home, typically for a limited period. This can apply to people, pets, or even objects. Example 1. They decided to take in a foreign exchange student for the semester. Example 2. During the storm, they took in their neighbors' pets to keep them safe. When you take in a view or an atmosphere, you are fully enjoying and appreciating the surroundings. This could apply to natural scenery, a piece of art, or even the atmosphere of a place. Example 1. We stood on the hilltop, taking in the breathtaking view of the valley. Example 2. Take a moment to take in the incredible artwork at this museum. On a less positive note, take in can also mean being deceived or tricked by someone. This usage implies that someone has managed to fool you, leading you to believe something that is not true. Example 1. I can't believe I was taken in by their lies. Example 2. Don't be taken in by his charm. He's not as nice as he seems. Lastly, take in can refer to making clothing smaller or tighter. This usually involves altering a piece of clothing to better fit the wearer. Example 1. The dress was too big, so I had to take it in at the waist. Example 2. These pants are loose. I think I need to take them in a bit. And there you have it, a detailed exploration of the phrase, take in all its varied uses. We hope this video helps you understand how versatile English phrases can be, and that you feel more confident using take in your conversations and writing. Don't forget to practice, and as always, happy learning. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.